In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can back up your PlayStation 5 games, apps, and data from console storage to a USB drive. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, the first step is obviously just making sure that your USB drive is actually connected to your PlayStation 5 before starting, so I'm going to plug mine in real quick. After you do plug it in, from the home screen of your PlayStation 5, scroll up and go into settings by selecting the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Scroll down on this page until you see the system option and select that. And from system, scroll over and go to system software up in the top left section of this sidebar. Now, go ahead and scroll down until you see the option to back up and restore and select it. From here, there's going to be a few different options. Select back up your PlayStation 5 up at the very top, and it's going to go ahead and say this warning right here. Go ahead and hit yes, and then it's going to begin loading to this page. While this loads, it's worth pointing out that you can deselect specific items if you don't want everything to be backed up. Under games and apps, you can also select specific titles to back up or skip. So go through this process, customize it however you would like, and when you're ready, select next in the bottom right corner, and then select backup up at the top, and your PS5 is going to begin backing up all of your data that you selected to your USB device. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions on how to back up your PlayStation 5 to a USB drive, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.